Hey, hi all. Welcome back to BRR Knowledge Center. In this today's session, we'll discuss about filters in AngularJS. So, what are these filters and how we are going to use it in AngularJS? So, basically, when talks about filter, we basically using it for filtering the data and minimize the data and then showing on UI. So, in AngularJS, this filters are used to modify the data and then they can show to the show on UI via HTML controls. So they can be clubbed in expressions or directives using a pipe symbol. So pipe symbol is the symbol we are going to use it to implement AngularJS filters. So there are so many filters we can implement as part of AngularJS filters like uppercase, lowercase, order by, right? A filter. So these are the main keywords of phrase words. We are going to use it for applying filters to the application data. So let me define the definition for AngularJS filters. So are used to modify the application data. So AngularJS filters, AngularJS filters are clubbed together, clubbed together with expressions or directives. Okay, so to club the Angular expressions, AngularJS expressions, we use pipe character. We use pipe character, this thing. Okay. So the following filters are commonly using in AngularJS filters. One is uppercase, lowercase, filter, ordered by. So as usual, uppercase converts a text to uppercase text. So lowercase opposite to uppercase converts a text to lowercase text. And coming to the filter, filter the array to a subset of it based on provided criteria. It filters subset of array, right, based on provided criteria. And coming to the order by, so orders the array based on provided criteria. Orders the data array based on provided criteria. Okay, so first one is uppercase, this is the lowercase, this is the filter, and this is order by. Okay, these are mainly used filters in AngularJS. Okay, so for example, you have some data inside of a controller like student controller, and you are displaying it and you want to display in uppercase, right? So as I mentioned, my app equal to angular dot app, sorry, module, correct? This is what the syntax, right? Of my app, and my app dot controller of student controller, and function which by default takes scope. Okay, so instead of this, so I'm defining student object, and for this I'm defining first name I'm defining last name. Right. So after this, I'm defining full name. This is the attribute of function. Okay. Function. And inside of this, I'm defining obj student, and obj student equal to scope dot student. And here I've written, right, obj student dot first name plus space obj student dot last name. Okay. Now I want to use this student name anyway. Okay. Now here what I'll do is I wanted to display. So how I'll be displaying here is student name. So within this student dot first name. Okay. So this is going to display a first name of student. That's fine. And similarly, last name, I'm going to display it using last name. Now, when I display this full name, okay, I want to display this in capital letter. Then I'll use pipe and I can say uppercase so that it will display in uppercase. Okay, so like that, you can use all these filters. Okay, let's go back to the Visual Studio Coder and see the example, how it looks and works. Going here, I'm going to create 6. I'm going to take this bit because I need to keep header as similar. And this is my body section. This is my arm section. This is my head section saying that sample AngularJS application for AngularJS filters. Okay. Now here I'm going to define div tag. And after this form tag, so I'm going to define my AngularJS controller. But without that also we can implement that. Let's see that first. So here in the div tag, I'll say ng app equal to empty, ng init equal to, right? Not init, ng model. Let me see this. Okay. And ng controller equal to ports. So I'll create that anyway as a controller. So let me create this. And the way is script bash my app equal to angular dot model my app created my app dot controller of student controller function of dollar scope, and here scope dot student equal to, and then the student object I'm going to define first name, right, Ramana, last name let me close this, and after this full name, this is a function I'm declaring here, This is obj student. Obj student equal to dollar scope dot student. And then finally I'm returning obj student dot first name space obj student dot last name. Okay. Now going back here, this is my app and this is my student controller. Okay. Now here in this of dev, so let me do this for the sake of, I think along with the full name, I want to define, other things. Let me try this. Here, college, ABCD college. Okay. And after this, fee, 3,000. Okay. And anyway, the full name I've written fine. Now I want to define subjects as well. Subjects. This time I'll use subjects here. Okay. So each subject again I'm defining as physics 90. And I take this bit, come and take this bit, come. This is physics and this is English. This is math and this is social and this is science. Whatever it is. This is something 60 and this is 75 and this is 55 and this is again 79, I'm saying. So this is student subjects. Okay. Now going back, this is fine. I'm going back here and here I'm going to display these details in table. So then I'm going to say table. Okay. So let us say border is 0. In this table, I'm going to define tr. And inside of tr, I'm going to say enter first name. Okay. So enter first name. Let me try this, or I think I can display first the names from this array. Name in uppercase. Okay. This is what filter we're trying to use it, right? And in this, I'm closing TD and defining another TD. Here, student dot full name, pipe symbol, uppercase. Let me see this, how it is rendering. And so after this, name in lowercase. Let me see, this is how it is looking. It's lowercase. Next, the fees I'm going to display. Let me try this. Close. Now I'm going to display this with str. Here, 80. This is fee. Okay, and closing TD and opening another TD student dot fee. So let me try this currency. Let me, what is that variable fee? Okay. Currency is a filter. Let me try this. So, and then I want to display a marks here. And in this marks, I'm defining TD subjects. Putting another TD here, another list. This list item ng repeat equal to, right, subject in subjects, subject in subjects, filter. Let me try this. Filter subject name ordered by marks. Okay. And subject in subjects, filter marks, close. And let's close this here. Print student name. It's not name for now, I think. Full name. So once after filter done, I wanted to print full name plus student dot. Okay. Marks plus subject dot marks. Full name, and this is again my name, and this is another list. And then it is closing. Let me see how it displaying. See here, the first TD have been defined as uppercase. Uppercase it is displayed, and this is lowercase, and this is displaying in currency. Let me try this. Do we have rupees? Rupees we have? I don't know. So we should try this. I don't think so. We have. Okay. It's okay. Currency. This is displaying in currency. Okay. And the subject in subjects, filter a subject name. Okay, subject. Let me try what it is defined. Subject in subjects. So what I need to do is to filter this. I'm going to define another section here, another table I can say. Let me try this table. Okay. Border equal to 0. Okay, here I'm saying tr td enter first name, enter first name, td input, me. So we did another table, which basically, in this case, I wanted to print student first name, right? If you want to print it in this way. So this is going to be, let me share this student at first name. This is student dot last name, and this is student dot fee, and this is subject name. I'm just giving model names. So this is one table which basically having four rows. So this is something first name, last name, fee, and subject. So based on the subject, I'm going to filter. So that's why I'm just taking this as model subject name, and that name I'm using here to filter that. Okay, let me open this. So whatever the model, I mean controller defined here, the first name, last name, and default displayed here, and the fee also displayed. Subject is empty because this is not defined anything here. This is array I already defined here, like physics, English, math, social science. And I just wanted to type it here something. And while I'm typing it, I wanted to filter the subjects. Okay. So this is not like this. This is something subject not displaying it. Let me try this. Name in uppercase, date, and fees we already displayed in currency. And coming to here, li and nc repeat, subject in subjects, sorry, subject in student subject, right? Student subjects, right? Let me go back here and see now. Yeah, look at here. So I displayed as marks 55. So full name Brahma Bumpali, marks 55 I define, and this is mark 60, 75, 79. Now when I'm typing it, it is filtering only 90. This is 70, this is 80, and this is 80, 0, 90, 75. So like this is it is filtering, right? And also order by marks we have mentioned, right? So this is default showing in the order by marks ascending 55, 60, 75, 99. Let me try this. Do we have a descending something? Let me go back here. No, we don't have. Order by descending, we don't have. I'm not sure. Okay, order by descending. Oh, oops, no. Do we have this? No. Order by only. Order by marks. Okay. So this is by default showing here. We have mentioned student last name, first name, and fees, and subject we are taking into the subject name variable and the model. That variable I'm using it here part of filter subject name order by marks. Okay, and that's why it is showing here the subject name. And if you wanted to the display right marks here, I just displayed marks. If you want to display the name also, you can give it here. Name, marks, right? And plus in subject, okay? So colon, right here, subject dot name. Let me go back and see here. So Ramana Bumpali marks 55. What is this? Plus 2 times. Is it required? Yes. See this. No. Okay, this is not correct. It seems this is okay. Plus where is plus? One more plus. Full name plus marks. This is marks. Subject marks plus so social, math, science, physics. Okay. Kumbali marks 55 in subjects so on so. Okay. This way you can display the controller part, values which we have defined using the filter. So these filters have used uppercase, lowercase, currency, and order by and filter. Okay. So I hope you understood the AngularJS filters here, like how we are, using all this stuff, uppercase, lowercase, and filter order by. And based on that, it is going to be displayed. Okay. Thanks for listening to this video, and please subscribe this channel for more videos.